Welcome back to Byte-Sized Python. By the end of today, you will program this. Follow along and experiment to get a better understanding of printing. Open the Python idle as you did in the previous video. How you write a print statement, or the syntax of it, is print, then parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you put a string. So like this, and then you put a string. For example, print hello world, then press enter. If you typed it correctly, it should say hello world. You can put anything inside the quotes other than more quotes. If you want to join multiple strings together, you can use a comma, like print hello world. If you want to run multiple lines of code at once, go to the top of the window and select File. Then click New File. You can then type in some code, separating the lines with Enter. So I will print what we had before. Once you want to run your code, go up to File, then click Save. Type in the name of the file you want to save. So for example, example.py. Then click Save. You can also enter Ctrl S. To run the file, go to Run, then click Run Module. To open a file that you have already made, go to File, Open, then navigate to the file you want to open, and then press Open. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and maybe even subscribe. Have a great day.